ꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥ Okay. Yeah.
Statue of Veer Tekendra unveiled by Shri Bhakta Charan Das, Honorable former Union Minister in charge of the AICC, in the presence of Shri Oibobi Singh, Honorable Shilpi Leader Manipur, Shri Laikangam, Honorable CWC member AICC, and Shri Govindas Kodul Jam, Honorable President MPCC, on 29 December 2020.
Honorable former Union Minister in charge Manipur Sila Singula statue Veer Tekendra Chimikan Abuk Pagitunda Lady the Fight Bitmuna Maki Makamda Maya Sutila Pui Lay Kasigan
एक मिनट स्टेप बाय स्टेप 아무도 기회라도 못 좀 해서 가서 좀 타자라고. 이거 왜 알아? 제대로 막아.
하늘들이 오직 이게 분노들이바 All India Congress Committee Manipur Inchar Udiba Sri Bhaksasaranda Tek Nazariba Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Sri Govindas Kothukar Tek Nazariba Self Leader Manipur Sri Oibobi Singh Tek Nazariba CWC Member All India Congress Committee Sri Jai Thangam dan lucingbiduna asigunaba beauty candidate itam masi maikum hangtokuna mayamda pusinna thabagi tungda program gi makha chathajar ko oina hauji keynote address dibigadoriba Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki Vice President Dr. K.S. Ratan Kumar Singh na keynote address dibigani gai tunajariba Dr. K.S. Ratan Kumar Singh
ini asyik ini kan orang asyik mengumpulkan bina bang lagi apa parti mengsibil lagi apa kau pun makku yang ham makti kau mau kau pun ceri Bidi Kendrick ki matanga Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee के Vice President ना प्रचार कंबीग है welcome speeches कंबीग है मांग खिलने बा उसे जितने दा कोई की मणिपुर इंचार्ज बख्तरचंदास जी ना अनवेल का उखरबा मूर्ति ऐसे मस्जिद मितम ऐसे इसम चंदा मितम मिते This is a symbol of pride of Manipur, all Manipuris. Ako'y Manipur ni Manipuri po na maki. Pongsan kamuy ba? Pongsan ni ngayon ba? At yung pride at yung symbol ni ay kasi ay ahan kimsan ni. Masigimitan mo sila. Tali madudi, ning singali madudi. Ako'y Manipur siya, ning tambak ng tobebang urimi. Mikha po lang di, haibito, numit tanay, leiba makay. TV le berkasa, puno muna, mioi puno muna. Akan jadi puri tanah tanah, mioi puno muna. Kang tapi ya tanah, kang ada pada rumah. Mitam amani, habisnya ayat kali. Masih kali kita mak tahu sih. PCC ki, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee campus tak kami benar. Hai begini, kalau macam mana ni? Maju di. Hai ba, tiken terjese, mayam na power tu na leru ragni. Aduh, All India Congress Committee, Honorable President Srimati Sonia Gandhi na, lusing masing pa All India Congress Committee na. Parties ki Foundation Day, jisa magpunaga, suba tu gumba, numit atu ka, iro ina na. Manipur ki freedom fighter, maru iba. Sangai ba freedom fighter. Adugumba leader ani nupa ma nupi ama lere di Peru. Mano All India ki level da AICC na recognition pidana honor to gani. Haidana pira pati haidana haipira pati ki aikoina viti ke melis ke ming piji loina Rani Gadilu gaming nupi ki site ki abar pidana. Aku memito di hawlo si pawda di kendra si amadi Rani Gadilu asibu magi pokpa amadi lekhi ron numit se party sina AICC na Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na masigi recognition se pidana samban tauna laimana ma haimana madrusu katna kaitna terbi manu ki gona na aku khalli madudi PCC na khalli madudi AICC ni ada di Delhi na pawda sakam bi dale มีอันนี้แช่ไอ้ค่อยตุ้มนั่นเองจุ่มอ้อยคดีกุมบ้านค่อยอามาก็มาค่อยมิงก็ตัวตายสิพันนักขี้ไอ้ครั้งนี้ดูดิไอ้คุยกี้बापूजी महात्मा गांधी के विक्रम लिंग घटित है अम्बेडकर है लोजना पंडित जी की विक्रम सु कोई अम्बेडकर है हजिक भी अकोई कोई तौसरा डिसीजन कंजबदा मणिपुर प्रजा सिंह की टच अमा मणिपुर का टच अमा मसीकी सेंटिमेंट अटैचमेंट अमा अकोई पीबा चुंगनी मसी थमदबदा अकोई पकुंग फाबो कोइरोय hai na khane dana mado akoi office manager meeting pame yana le masi bitam same si hada madu ki decision na do koi honorable adun peneto ki CSP leader hame ki honorable chief minister mam election bi ba mamun su kutana sare koi ba kana re aduga executive meeting khadaga masi ajaba executive committee na bibidana masiki mitam sema hoki sema loire ai mate ama bisi president aru khanna oiba matamada da hamko ko nangara haja sema su loire dam akoi gi akoi general secretary administration in charge ma su thoi jauna makin pangi sema saba akra sema bagani masiki haja sa taw kan mani bodu su apa apa le le haja कोई तलु रहे तल और तौ कुछ माँ की मितम में से माँ में बांधना है से में से हटन हटन देना कांडा मशीन फाइटिंग माँ नहीं हाजर से में लोयरे ना सीधा किन भोग किन लोयरे बता मैं कोई कन की मधुदी ऑप्शन अहम थमे आहान बता AICC की लीडरशिप को रखा मितम से हांसी कहीं बाबा कोई नंगरता रही अनी सुबदा मणिपुर कलेबा yang prominent oiba culture gi lamda adu atai dai gi lamda maming chatpa ahanaman jing khadalaga pai gi ahano ga mi ama si hanan si matusu riyombas ani ta bok tong sa ga lai na bali ahum su wadidi akoi irta akoi puramente ki so ahan oire status ma ga pai gi wange हाने में चिपने से सही तारा मांगा चुची में सब वायर में नहीं होजी चुची शेल भी लीडर का अपोजिशन कोई नहीं बनी माँ को मितम में से हांगन सी ऑप्शन से कुम हमें आहान बता कोई ऑप्शन आहान बता कोई AICC अप्रोच तो बका ना कोई राहुल जी ना राहुल गांधी जी ना प्रेसिडेंट वायर में दो ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट वायर में दो माँ कनेगी election की difficult का लेकिन था मान moral responsibility on तो देना मान जाए तो वो कोप की मदुगी सारंग ना कोप की AICC लीडर सिंह से लाख से कुछ साथ था जो नायक पड़ा नशीदी शोर शांति विवाह है बता रहे मणिपुर प्रजा सिंह अनुशी विवाह अब तो PCC ना कंजर मंगल दो हम पाऊँ ना रे अलग कोई क्या कम नजर बात से भक्त सरंदास Honorable former minister, Indian former minister, ada kita tak bersih Manipur in charge, begini lah maham nala ada masih kita masih aku masih hanggap ni apa, hasil lu bedak, ya orang presiden lah, mak dilisa lu bedak, langsung saya masih mana ya masih mak pokok ni masih koire masih kita hanggap masih hanya hanggap kita masih ya nungai bah, hasil betar ada si parti si Congress parti si na pilih kita si hana national level la sabta amba ada recognize orang besar ada i parti saya nanti atau apa kena nanti aku Indian National Congress parti si na masih sabta ni Jumlah national level terjadi, international level apa masih mengcat asal. Asum leher kita bani habis Tanzania. Aku Vatican ni macam guys, dalam sangat juga aku honorable former Indian Minister Dr. Ashok masuk sekretari bani na. Asam mungkin ke flight sekretari bani macam dalam sangat. Lalu cara ada bu. masai hai hai tiken project ki witam masel li masa masih ada koi pun nama kisah try koi ba ada umpa ning tamba di tholi ba mo yami hai pa pa dana kana manipuri koi pun nama kisah thona kare sada koi ngamoi khama ba phau da British samara thai bani masih saja tabik hai British sing ida makta British ida makta numit taban nai di hai di badi umpa tan garba ribi pura maksi mak kut pai le badi umpa asu sakti ada thengla gani na thingna basa ngamoi khani hai nongai aduga tok myam na bong tok myam na thalaba adugi la aduga thang na ta na thingna gani hai basa ngamoi khani adugo imari ba idamakta ai ithawai thadok kadabani thadok pa si ithau dang ni ima manipurna ai ko kopi basa asiko luro tanja sila ai punchi ko thadok pa basa ai di privilege ti kanjadna mai thi gani khangna song thoa thina bana pares thongna do atoi congress kami pura moksu manipuri pura moksu modigi adugumba thongna do atam winamukta afagagi namukta leiba gi namukta Pasal kita makta patok pengan, oh semua apa kita setamaga nasi geti, mata sepenting segi. Jadi,
sehisa maga, pumpung meriak suba mapok numit hai betare. Si kumet numit asila, nakoi MPCC na organize tau bituna, tekenju beras tekenju jiti mafanda, tau biman kangga utpa. Mangonda piba bagi parti na angamba pijaba tribute hai batare lagu sikuno function sida situation arrangement biriba kai kumnujari ba anigi UN minister oi biramba Pujina Manipur ki in charge oi nu biriba Sri Professor Lasli Kai Community Riba PCC ki President, CWC ki Member, Langshin Bilba, Honorable MLA Singh, Honorable ex-Minister Singh, ex-MLA Singh, Party ki Office Bearer Singh, Frontier Namtung Sales ki Sip Singh, so ito yung namang Langshin Bilba, Party ki Saknay Riba, Leader Singh Kumnamag, Press Samsung media ki bot electronic haduga print media ki mono function pumnama bir candidate kanano haiba madugi maramda koigi anagi Jivjik Vice President oina pubirba Dr. Ratanna aduga koigi kai community ba CWC member Sri Gaitamam Jina pariksham na thambi hai Manipur ke praja singh su thena Kambiragani koi namu maduda damdogje dagasu. Adugu karigino hai badudi aidi masjid thudukna kano tongai leitian khali vote national aduga regional level da even including international level da nomdi soina aidi masi khangnar kani umji khangnar bani haina aidi sumaina thamdani muni Akoi ai atai candidate ki maramda party ki maramda aduga koina yamna congress party na credit loaning ba kana loaning bagi mota koina ngang se eta kari haini waru ba man ba akoi di semdel laga sadel laga hai su thai ba tawram ba tawgi ba kona torka da masi hai ba dei da heta mayam jina karino khangde ke nome ta lome akoi na matam khara hai dare manipur ki praja singi seva tawjaga da akoi ki manipur ki hujati airport se yamna strategically Southeast Asian countries singi yamna marui ba location aduga airport amani haina Bharat ki praja section kuri mune loina khang bane ba masi on top of that akoi Manipur si laibak thiba haisira laibak phaba haisira apikpa state oiba adudagi 90% singi area oiba hudik laiba airport sidagi atai state ta toiba sumaina Bombay daga airport ama ani hum kano UP daga airport hum mani toiba sikum bagi hoi tauge hire bati yai Sikkim da aduga Benoda Valley irai laitaba Meghalaya da Shillong da bok semi bo dise adugo akhoi sidaidadi yamna atuba matamdadi masi kitang lugaro aduna mayam se na khambire koigi airport se lairiba somdagi ukhurdagi hairo champion-dagi hairo Thoban-dagi Imphal East-dagi o natragana laiba lambi se Bishnupur-dagi Imphal West-dagi Sursanpur-dagi laiba lambi se si natana hujik kiti atai upai laita aduna akhoi UPA 1 dagi hauraga UPA 2 laiba matam hujik particularly Madam Sonia Gandhi da the then Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh da sa toine kana khambire communication haibse is the backbone of development. Either it may be air travel or water travel or surface travel. Communication haibse is the backbone of development. Noina not is a sapat hanimba taragadi. I am lapi Delhi surface it took not less than minimum 3 days. Meeting of sapat tardi Delhi se koi. Yam darda numi humni di dum sang neba. Satchiba meeting yauba amu harapa. Aduna koi number of daily flights hantar hanbiu aduga hujik masi international airport masi wong khatang biu upgrade to biu haibes leida civil aviation minister na objection to it. How can we upgrade from the existing airport sidagi international airport sikramai to gani minimum 500 acres biu haiba additional land madudada koi matam diga koi government seriously kanare lot of objection. Mayam longmi mayam 중주스미 봐. 나우레 바풍라 그기 이마 이벤트 mayam. nangi ibo bido lakta laksunu ikai ni boy haibla ma khangani lakta laksunu akoi sak khau tadak yen ma haibla ko isa chu yokseri ba loksing uliba mayam che masima sidebu akoi lokon sidebu ekar sama satu lokok kita akoi kai hingani kamu tawani ya dia ba adu kona koina koi cabinet yang seriously kanaru matunga aksi upai kali lai moina haibsi sumi moi gidi sakau hakpadori bani kalino alternative arrangement na tawseba ngamna ba kaina matam du da compensation si kare patlaga adula gini moi ju ya na para laukina at one time more than 500 acres masi laklaba matunga akoi civil aviation ministry de yare international airport one bahaibse Madhuri Amoi, Madam Sonia Gandhi, Adi Dr. Manmohan Singh Hairga. Now land is ready. Other Mashi upgrade to Viramu Haina. The Koyi Matangane Mashe International Airport Wonkala Mishe. Other Mashi Wonkala Matunga, Moigi, Executive Director, Moigi, Airport Authority of India, Madhuri Executive Director, even the Kiamu Torga. Achar. Your government has created a history in the history of the Airport Authority of India. At one time, your government has handed over to us not less than 500 acres. Yung Tangnariba, Asangi Airport se, Masriga 150 acres, but a few additional land you had, it took more than 10 years. Sangian Hayadu Zipopidi Hayat, Adnoi Pet Kravas Yatsina. That two fertile land acquisition land at one time the more than 550 acres previously. Your government has created a history in the history of the civil aviation ministry. Nama documented cover on it. Aduna, masi akoi airport se international airport ko yung namin. Mayam marupang sa mayam su yang chatpi ramani Southeast Asian countries in Sistat Pakandada. Quite enough to say. Kolkata, Mandalay, to was in Thailand, Bangkok, China, Japan, Bandi, to was about Mandalay, Tana, Chatpashe, Mandalay International Airport, Chatpashe, Myanmar, Kolkata, 3.5 hours. A hoist international flight, Tang did Tambi when I government the Hygiene never. I did Delhi flight service though. Sidagi Impal, it took only 3 hours. From Impal International Airport to Mandalay Bukchapashe. Only 3 hours and ever. Although Matamdani proposal set Vijik Laiva existing, which airport technology, Sum Tambu, at when in Kemsa Parum, Sumti Samaga. Koi yar base height and no Surga, European Kato Patching top the minimum to Tambu, around 700 crore proposals are going at Torga. I know what Parliament Nama, Hanela, you do the D. Yakra, Sogota, International Pipe, Yakra, Sogota, Yaro, with Lamsula, every Madu Tawirona, quite conduct of Germany. Although, visit Crider, Tala, Igno, Kando, Rino, I took Viduribra, I took Viduribra, a quaint of the proposal or Muni Hina, Tobigaduribra, Tobiroduriba to become the god. I told me a Kenyan Scully, Maramdi, Machi, Manipuri Pradasing, not only Manipuri Pradasing in a theatre. In the other labor production, the property we can do it myself. Anybody who wants to travel to South Asian countries, they can travel from Manipur easily, anywhere in the South Asian countries. Aduna, I think so. Ladiba, Central India government, Aduga, State City BJP government, you know, come pressure to be a speculative. Then I didn't get a coin of Canada. But I'm going to go and go. Kuisi asam gisu boroloi mami ngam moya asam gi hero mami toli Kolkata gisu Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Delhi gisu adi Bombay Maharashtra ko lo na Kolkata si Netaji Subhash Chandra International Airport. Why not ours? Matudak mon na koi khanar tanda. Yes, freedom fighter di British ki mayokta akoi ninkam base koi mangri aroi Hydra British ki mayokta Veer Tikanrati, Jogaraj Tikanrati, Tangan General Muhi Kaptani ay haining deba freedom fighter se freedom fighter putting in murti roi khanya matamda Tangan General hairo atagi atai mayama Rani Gaji yu hairo pe ko yaw himna madudi loi na makpeno togo ya tamina Veer Tikanrati tu matamdugi Britain ki Maharani ki mayokta Lan Hawi haidna Visar Taudanene Basida, Paidabung Sida, broad daylight, Hang or the hot people, Manipur, Abuju, Manipuri Pradasi, Mamanga. Mahatami is coming never. Come, Noina, I had a hatebo. I will never go down to you. A quick Ninkat and looking at that, Nuhida, British go down to the Roy, either you may kill me or either you may hate me. Togito do hat ke hatso do gari akoi freedom ki namta de compromise to roi haina we can na magi tatho matong na mama leba majati ki namta da sacrifice to ko mayang do akoi yenga akoi shishu
Manipur Congress Committee Shri Govind Das ji, all respected MLAs and office bearer of MPCC present in the dais, all distinguished guests, delegation from the district committees, Seva Dal, Mahila Congress, NSUI, Youth Congress, and other frontal organizations, and friends from the press. Today, on the Patriot Day of Manipur, we are observing the Patriot Day and unveil the statue of the great hero of the soil. the great province of Manipur, and the great son of the soil of India. The hero, the revolutionary, a fighter, a tireless fighter, who fought till the end during his youngest period, hanged publicly with courage and the devotion to the soil of this province. Honorable, most respected, revered Tikendrajit Singh Ji. I salute the revolutionary. मैं उस क्रांतिकारी को सलाम करता हूं, उस देशभक्त को सलाम करता हूं। On behalf of Congress Party, Congress President Honorable Srimati Sonia Gandhi Ji, Sri Rahul Gandhi Ji, I attribute the floral tribute to the great hero of the nation from the Northeast. I don't understand Manipuri language, but I could guess my leaders, Ivo Vijay, Gaikamanji, and all the leaders, they had given a lot of emphasis on the contribution and the struggle of Tikendrajit Singh Ji. It's very difficult to get a hero like him in these days, a patriot like him, who could not make any compromise, never made any compromise. At a very tender age, he fought. I salute the parents who had given birth to the great son of the soil, Raja Chandrakirti Singh Ji, and the great mother, Kosheshwari Devi. Such parents, those who have birth to a son like this, must be honored on today's day. मुद्दत में एक चिंगारी पैदा होता है, इन दोनों देखने को नहीं मिलता है। And when the Britishers tried to expand their colony, that time a young man, being the fourth son of the Maharaja, could not tolerate this, revolted, reacted, organized the Senapati and Commander General of Manipur Army. He fought. In his mind, a free mind, fearless mind, a sovereign mind. Even when his brothers, then Maharaja, Subhachandra, wanted to align with the British force, he was not happy with that and revolted with his troops, with his other supporter brothers, and removed him from the Maharaja kingship, and did not become the king himself. He could have very well become the king of Manipur that time. But he preferred to respect his brother and made Kulachandra as the king of Manipur. You see the attitude of the patriot. attitude of a true revolutionary. Britishers tried their best to hunt him like anything. To arrest him many times, they made many attempts. But the young man, young Senapati fought like anything. When they tried to pursue Kulachandraji, that time king, to hand over Tikendraji Singh ji, and when they failed, when the then king Kulachandra denied, they forcibly wanted to arrest him and enter the Kanla fort, to raid him from his residence in the Kanla fort campus. They killed the civilians, they killed children, they killed the women brutally. But under his leadership, the Manipur army fought, defeated them. 5 officers of British were arrested and they were punished, they were executed. Such type of hero. But lastly, British failed, and on 31st March 1991, they declared the war against Manipur army, and the Anglo-Manipur war was fought. They resisted like anything. Many soldiers of Manipur, they sacrificed their last to preserve the independence of Manipur, along with Tikendraji Singh ji. And at last they could arrest him. And the day 13th August 1991, they hanged him publicly, mercilessly. What they wanted to teach to the people of Manipur, to terrorize them, to lover of freedom. The fearless people of Manipur and Manipur army, they wanted to threaten them and hang him publicly. The Manipur people reacted. The great son of the soil, वो रुके नहीं, वो झुके नहीं, वो दबे नहीं, वो मिटे नहीं, but he remained in the history of Manipur as the patriot son of Manipur and India. And we the people of Congress Party, we the leaders of Congress Party, we have been respecting the freedom fighters of the country, in any part of the country, who has fought for the nation against the Britishers and sacrificed their best. We always worship them, and Congress Party has been worshipping them. We salute 1,000 times the great hero of Manipur, Tikendraji Singh ji. But what happened? Unlike that period, Surachandra ji collided with the British, the foreign force. The same things are happening these days. That time they wanted to encroach upon our territory. They encroach upon our territory, our sovereignty. Our freedom was taken away by them. And Surachandra collided with them. What is happening now? People from Congress Party, after winning the election, going to a different party and forming their government, strengthening their government. BJP party, who has never fought the freedom of the country. They had collided with the Britishers that time during freedom struggle. When Congress party was formed by the great A.U. Hun, W.C. Banerjee, and leader like Raspita Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Maulana Azad ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Sardar Patel ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Thousands of Congress leaders sacrificed their best, their everything, to free India from the clutches of Britishers. But that time BJP people, they work hand in hand with the Britishers. And that party, which is now arrested the entire voice of the people, the voice of fourth pillar of the Constitution, they have arrested. They have imprisoned the institutional values, the mind is. So it was 1891. His birth was, I think, 1856, and it was his last in 1891. Sorry. So BJP has captured the fundamental rights of the people of the nation. And that party today, by any means, by taking our MLA and MP from here, there, and at any cost they want power, just to enjoy power, not to strengthen the poor, the migrant laborers, the farmers, the women, the students, the children. They have no wish to strengthen or empower the people. They have only wish to rule like Britishers. I can very well compare them like the attitude of Britishers. And the present chief minister defected from us, went there, the Manipur chief minister, and he became chief minister. And some people were taken away forcibly from our party. Is this the business remain in this nation to see? We have forgotten the days of the great revolutionaries, the freedom fighters, who have done their best, sacrificed their best to build this nation, to strengthen this nation. The values that Congress